Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Inflatable Play Center is probably one of the most exciting additions to any backyard, offering endless hours of fun and active play for children, transforming ordinary days into extraordinary adventures right at home, and providing a safe yet stimulating environment for kids to bounce, slide, and splash their way through the day, making it an ideal choice for parents looking to keep their little ones entertained and engaged during warmer months or for special occasions. Number 5. Infinno Inflatable Tummy Time Mat. Introducing a premium play mat designed to engage your baby's senses. It's the perfect way to encourage exploration and development during their crucial early months. Watch as your little one strengthens their head, neck, and shoulder muscles. This mat also helps refine essential hand-eye coordination and fine motor skills. Fascinating sea creatures and colorful illustrations create an immersive experience. Your baby will be captivated and entertained for hours on end. Crafted from durable, BPA-free, and non-toxic PVC, this mat is built to last. Rigorous testing ensures it's completely leak-proof, keeping your baby dry and comfortable. Simply fill the center with water and inflate the edges. When playtime is over, it deflates and folds flat, making it incredibly easy to store or take on the go. Measuring 26 by 20 inches, it's the ideal size for babies aged 3 months and up. Give the gift of developmental fun to any baby girl or boy. What we like. This mat is designed to promote your baby's sensory development with its colorful sea animals and engaging illustrations. It's made from superior quality, leak-proof PVC material, ensuring durability and safety. If you are looking for a portable and engaging tummy time activity for infants and toddlers aged 3 to 24 months, this is a great choice. What people say. The Inflatable Play Center has a built-in sprayer that can be connected to a garden hose for a refreshing water feature. It includes a climbing wall with hand grips and a footrest, making it easy for kids to ascend. The center features a large slide with a landing pool, providing a fun way to exit the play area. Number 4. SplashEZ 3-in-1 Splash Pad for Kids and Baby. Get ready for a fun-filled water adventure. This innovative splash pad makes learning easy and enjoyable. It even has a built-in learning mat for extra educational fun. Beat the heat with this refreshing splash pad, perfect for children 12 months and older. Watch your little ones have a blast under the cool water sprinklers. It's an ocean of adventure right in your backyard. Keep your children cool and safe with this parent-approved water toy. It's designed for safe play in the sun and shade, offering quality you can trust. Plus, it's BPA and phthalate-free. We believe in the power of learning through play for healthy development. This product provides both engaging outdoor play and valuable learning opportunities in one fantastic package. As parents ourselves, we prioritize your child's safety and toy quality. We are committed to making things right if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like. This splash pad offers an educational twist, making learning fun through play with its A to Z learning mat base. It provides cooling relief from the heat with refreshing fountain sprinklers. If you want an outdoor water toy that combines fun, safety, and early learning for toddlers aged 12 months and up, this is the perfect option. What people say. My child enjoyed this splash pad very much. My toddler absolutely loves it and loves how water pools inside of it, making it a little tiny pool that he can splash and kick in. My go-to gift for friends, family who want a safe way to beat the heat with their kids in the spring-summer. Super easy to use and great value for what it costs. You can adjust the water height, the hose, and the shallow mat stays cool when in use. The kids love it because it's fun and the parents love it because it's a safe way to let the kids who might not be ready for swimming cool off. Number 3. Intex 58484 EP Swim Center Family Pool. Get ready for instant water fun. Simply spread it out, inflate the chambers, and add water for a quick setup. Measuring 10 feet by 6 feet with a 22-inch depth, it holds 277 gallons of water. This above-ground pool is ideal for cooling off on hot summer days. Constructed with durable 12-gauge vinyl walls, it's designed to withstand all your summer activities. A repair patch is included for any unexpected damage. Featuring 3 air chambers with combo valves, it inflates and deflates quickly. The convenient drain plug makes emptying the water a breeze. For over 50 years, we've prioritized safety in our designs. Enjoy affordable, innovative products built to last, creating lasting memories. What we like. This family-sized pool offers easy summer fun with quick inflation and deflation thanks to its 3 air chambers. It's constructed with durable 12-gauge vinyl walls built to resist wear and tear. If you need a spacious and durable above-ground pool for family fun and escaping the heat, this is an excellent choice. What people say. There's enough room for both of us to stretch out, have our head on one side and our feet the other. There's also enough room for us to inflate a chair float, if we want to use that. My 88-pound bulldog swimming in our pool. She jumped in and out of that pool at least 15 times, and still no damage. It is quite big, perfect for my 3 young children to jump around in, and it would easily fit 4 adults as a lounge pool. Number 2. Intex Dinosaur Play Center Water Park. Get ready for endless summer fun with this inflatable dinosaur play center. It's perfect for splashing and sliding all day long. Beat the heat with the built-in water sprayer and waterfall. This play center will keep your little ones cool and entertained. Included are 6 colorful balls for extra fun, which can be inserted into the wall. It adds another layer of excitement to their playtime. Designed with a soft landing mat for safety and comfort. It's constructed from durable vinyl to last for summers to come. With generous dimensions, there's plenty of space for multiple children to enjoy their island adventure together. It's perfect for backyard fun. What we like. This inflatable play center brings a prehistoric adventure to your backyard with its dinosaur theme, volcano slide, and water sprayer. It offers multiple activities like sliding, splashing, and ball play for hours of entertainment. If you're looking for an exciting and engaging water park experience for toddlers and kids that includes a slide and water features, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Holds water and air very well. Big hit for my toddler to keep cool in the heat. Easy to inflate and has so much for little kids to have fun with. The waterfall feature works well and my family enjoys it. It's a cute setup and looks exactly like the pictures. Number 1. Intex Jump-O-Lene Castle Bounce House. Introducing a fun-filled inflatable bouncy house designed to spark your kids' imaginations. It offers a perfect space for energetic play, bringing a castle to life. Your little ones can bounce, jump, and play without worry. It features a soft inflatable floor and high walls, creating a safe environment for endless fun. This versatile bouncer is perfect for indoor or outdoor play. It's compact enough for smaller spaces and durable enough for the backyard. Built with a well-balanced structure, it avoids tipping or wobbling for a secure play experience. It's made with safe, easy-to-clean PVC materials. Recommended for children aged 3 to 6, it supports up to 120 pounds. It provides hours of active fun in vibrant red, blue, and yellow colors. What we like. This castle-themed bounce house provides a safe and secure play area with its soft inflatable floor and high walls, perfect for energetic play. Its versatile design allows for indoor or outdoor use, making it a great option year-round. If you need a fun and safe bouncer for children aged 3 to 6 to jump and play, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The inflatable play center has a built-in sprayer that can be connected to a garden hose for a refreshing water feature. It includes a climbing wall with hand grips and a footrest, making it easy for kids to ascend. The center features a large slide with a landing pool for extra fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.